Hello everyone, this is my review of this 40 pack of this iconic snack, Funyuns. A whole bunch of them coming here in this big box, so you have plenty to eat or to share or to serve for a party. These crunchy treats are instantly recognizable with the distinctive onion flavor and ring shape. If you like the taste of onions but want something a bit lighter and crunchier than traditional chips, Funyuns are a great choice. The flavor is bold and savory and just right. One of the best things about Funyuns is their texture. They're light and crispy with a satisfying crunch that's perfect for snacking. The rings are airy, sturdy, making them ideal for munching. And I really like these snacks. I liked them ever since I was a kid. And I hope this review helps.